if you were to ask me, how long do you think it'll be before this cloud clears? I would say probably about 15 minutes.
Don't say that.
It'll be annoying if it's like this right now and then we're missing. I mean, I was kind of thinking we were going to miss it anyway because there were clouds all over. But
Yeah.
because now, I mean, look at this. This entire
It was beautiful.
sky is all clouds free.
That would be my luck. Ugh, 7 minutes left.
It's getting dimmer.
It is, yeah.
It's getting dimmer now.
Well, and like your shadows are really crisp. So close. So freaking close. Ah!
5 minutes?
5 minutes and 47 seconds. Just look around, like how much it's dimmed. It's like nighttime.
Until totality.
1 minute. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the circle. Whoa. Whoa. Holy. Whoa. Dude, look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow. Dude.
You stupid clouds.
You stupid clouds.
And it's lightening up now.